How you can see, I already got some. I just got my temperature sensor just laying around in my cap for the bad times and sad times. I only need to be towed one time, and it's kind of awesome. So awesome when I bought the car. First time with the car, and we need to tow. What a nice. Fuck that shit. Almost in place. Oh, you can see it's here. Yeah. The temperature sensor. Oh. Whoops. Yes, done. The temperature sensor, I think, motherfucking temperature sensor, I think. Is in here. I think it is. It is. I need my strong hand in the place. Done. As you can see, I have really bad leaks in my steering. I'm dreading about that. I think here is because of the steering wheel. This sucks, but I will repair it. You have fog lights in here too. Really fast. To take it down. The other side the same thing. Yeah, you have to use, take it off. It is much more harder than put it back, I think. We'll need to get, when you are taking the camera, you will need to lose a bit of time with it to be well made. You have two things here, here. Just make it like that. I will eventually will paint it off black, you know, because I can decide to make it with the fixed base on the camera, this side I make it like you can see. Have this clips. You have to be careful. You have to take this first part, and now you come from this side and crack it. Put it like that. For security reasons I will put it back, but I don't need to, because I will dismount the bumper and I need to repair my steering. I don't think it should be done, but I don't have garage. I need in most secure form. It's like that. Just roll it to the place. Have to use a bit of time. Well done. Yeah, buddy. It's alright in the place. I will, and this side I will make in my hand. Oh, it's done. And this side needs to be washed. But for now I don't care. Need to be painted, but no, I don't care. I will do it like that. Just put it in that place. Yeah. Done. That's done, like you can see.